Hello guys, I'm Jeylati Titan and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you on how you can avoid copyright claims from your cover songs. The only way you can avoid that is by using a distributor. For me, I usually use Distrokid distributors. They distribute almost all of my songs, and this is my page. As you can see, these are various songs that have been uploaded to all digital platforms. So first step is register with Distrokid and you'll get all the services. So let me just jump direct to what I'm going to show you. This is my profile. As you can see, this is my account detail, personal profile, and what you need to do is just come here, cover song licenses. Distrokid automatically files a cover song license and submits payments to right holders, so you don't have to think about it or doing anything. If you do like to download the license for any reason, you can do that here. As for me, I've not created any cover songs, but by using that simple method, you can use it and get paid for your cover song that you sing of any artist. Thank you guys, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and many more. Thank you guys, be blessed.